Alright, here we go. Constant momentum, electromagnetic propulsion, bar, level, angle gauge, counterweight, propulsion, dangling, wires. There's the center. Alright. Power and ground. Shitty ass carpentry support. This is for another video. Alright. Let's see what we got. Alright, we are centered perfectly. Zeroed out. Zeroed out. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get my wife to give it power. Yeah. Alright, go. Alright, offset bubble. Meaning it's given driven propulsion, constant. She applied the ground. There's nothing else. Okay. No tricks. Release. Uh-oh. Popped off. Oh, that just fucked up the video. Anyway, actually really didn't. We'll do another one in a second. Alright, and it's zeroing back out for its center. Trying to get a good visual here.
You can zoom
in. Yeah, alright, back up a little bit. Alright. Go ahead and apply power again, please. Hold on. Wait. Okay, apply power, please. Thank you. Constant momentum. Downward force. There's the propulsion. Okay, let's see what about the angle gauge. It's not going to show very much of an angle, but it's there. Alright, release power, please. Alright, it's going to recenter back to 0.